What's up, everyone? Welcome to another vlog. So today, after work, I linked up with Alex and we're doing Honda shit. And we're here with my friend, we just met. So what's your name, bro?
Jason.
My boy Jason. He's gonna tell us what he have inside of his build right here.
Stock GSR with big bolt-ons. That's it. Tune. Makes good power. That's about it. I'm happy with it.
That's all you need, right?
Yeah. But people better be ready.
And guys, we finally got suspension for the car after waiting to take these ones off. You can't really see them, but they're bad. Like, they're shot. That's why the car squeaks in the front. And we have the what else do we have for the car today? Oh, we have the ball joints also. So that should be lit. Go CC again, get all that stuff on, and then we'll get to it. So I met Alex. Alex always been telling me about his car, so I finally get to see it. I love the shell, yeah. Like a little mini CRX. You got it out too?
It just has no rug. Soon I got cut doors for it at my boy's shop, and then from there I'll just be running on cut doors and cut trunk.
So, what is the B series?
Yeah, B series, Lsv Tech, GSR trans, stock. Everything basically stock. It got ACL bearings. Soon I'm gonna be port polishing the head. It's got a skunk 2 throttle body intake manifold, first version. It's lowered on skunk 2 Pro Series, one pieces, innovative mounts, Hasport shift linkage. Other than that, stock.
That's what they all say, right? They're stock. It's pretty clean. I ain't gonna hold you, bro. I fuck with it. I like it.
So you guys can hear it.
Oh, word? Alright. I mean, I would say right along, but
all that riding you guys hear is some light, loose. The mounts is no joke.
it's pretty valid.
I'm gonna be upgrading this right here to a 6-inch because right now it's too small. I'll rev it up so you guys want to hear it or whatever.
You gonna rev it or you gonna take it on the street? This one?
It's gonna be spinning way too much. It's raining right now.
Alright, we're gonna respect the car, guys. It's raining. It is. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna risk my life. Whether 1,000 or 100 horsepower. The VTEC? I rock with it, buddy.
When it's a dry day, I'll give you guys a ride or whatever the case may be. But
So we'll definitely come back for a ride along in his whip, so that sounds good. Yeah, drilling slided brakes too? Oh no. We plan on doing some stuff today, but it ended up raining, so you know, there's no point of pushing it while we get hurt or something like that. So safety awareness at the same time. And I got a surprise for you guys. I'll just leave this here and see if somebody can figure it out. But yeah, that's next. That's next.